Hello, how are you? Okay. Today our topic is donate your car for tax credit, making a difference and reaping benefit. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a topic that can be a win situation for you and those in need. Donating your car for tax credit. In this video we will talk you through the process, the benefit, and how it can make a positive impact on your taxes and community. So whether you are considering donating your car or just curious about the ins and outs, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step number 1, the power of car donation. Did you know what your old car can be valuable resources for charitable organization? Car donate are fantastic way to support causes you care about while always enjoying some tax benefits. Section 2 is how car donate work. Let's break down some donation typical work. Choose a charity first. You select a reputable charity or non-profitable organization that accept car donation. Assess your car. The next step is to evaluate your car condition. Most organizations accept both running and non-running vehicles. Arrange the donation. Contact the choose charity and arrange for the donation. They will usually schedule a pickup or drop off of your vehicle. Receive a tax receipt. After the donation is complete, you will receive a tax receipt acknowledging your contribution. Tax benefit of car donation. Now let's dive into the benefits. Tax deduction depend on the value of your car and tax law in your area. You can often claim a tax deduction for fair market. Also donation vehicle reduce tax liability. The deduction can reduce your taxable income, which can ultimately lead to a lower tax liability. Feel good factor. Beyond the financial benefit, you get the satisfaction of knowing your contribution is making positive impact on your chosen causes. Choosing the right charity is essential to select the right charity for your car donation. Here what the consider research. Look for the organization aligned with causes you support and research that their track record legitimacy. Ensure the charity is legitimate tax-exempt organization eligible to receive donation. Transparency. Now how the charity uses donate vehicle, and either they provide the transparency regarding their problems. Section donate process. When donating your car, make sure to collect all necessary paperwork, remove personal belongings from the vehicle, keep record of the donation, and receive the tax purpose. In conclusion, donating your car for a tax credit is a wonderful way to make a difference in life of other while also benefit your financial situation. It's win-win scenario that can reduce your tax liability and support causes you are passionate about. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.